Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alyssa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. So today I'm going to be telling you about my journey with getting lip filler. So I've had it done before and I decided to try out a new place this time around. I was so excited to work with them. So I went to Medizen Spa. It's in Columbus, Ohio. So if you're in the Columbus area, you can use my code Alyssa2020 to get $50 off any full price service or $10 off any already active promo going on. So yeah, I got 1 syringe of Versa filler, but I only used 0.7 of it. I previously have gotten half of a syringe before and I just gotten my top lip done, but this time around I just decided to really go for it. And to get like the actual look that I really wanted, it would have required more than half of a syringe. So I was able to bank the rest of it, and I think I might go and get a little bit more on my top lip just because I really want that fullness. And you know, I'm already like in it, you might as well just like go for it all the way. So I was so happy with how it turned out. My experience was great. It was really quick, and I had barely any bruising and barely any swelling, which is completely different than what happened to me the first time I got filler. I just was really swollen and it was kind of painful for a few days, but I only iced my lips like once this time around and I was fine. And I didn't have like any bruising and the swelling was minimal, like I said. So I was just really pleased with the whole experience. And everyone there was super kind and super knowledgeable and just really knew what they were doing, and I felt super comfortable like leaving my face in their hands. So yeah, this is exactly 1 week out from the procedure, I guess you could call it, and I absolutely love it. Obviously I have lipstick on. I didn't really overline my lips at all. I didn't even use a lip liner, so couldn't find one, but I just love putting lipstick on when I have my lips done. It just like makes me feel like so good. So yeah, I'm really excited. It looks really great. So for this video, I've kind of filmed like my process just like right after getting it done and like also in the process of getting it done. So if needles freak you out, then just like be aware that there's gonna be like the whole process in this video. And then I just kind of gave like check-ins throughout that week just to show you guys what they looked like. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or just comment down below any of your thoughts or experience getting lip filler. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
So try not to lick. If you lick, it's just open a little bit. It's just going to get on, you know, on your mucous membrane inside, but it's going to last maybe half an hour at the most. So not the most pleasant feeling, but it's gonna go away. Okay, perfect. All right. Open your mouth a little bit. move the filler inside, move it around like we want it, so you don't end up with the bumps. It has to be like nice and smooth. Kind of feels weird. But I had that happen to me one time.
Okay, so it is evening time. I got my lips done around 3:30 and it's about 9 p.m. my time. So I wanted to give you guys an update on what they look like. If they stayed like this, I would be so happy, but they're still pretty swollen. And I have this little ice pack that I'm gonna put on it. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Probably be more swollen tomorrow, but other than that, it feels really good. Doesn't hurt. And no bruising yet, so stay tuned. Okay, so I woke up a little bit ago. Had breakfast. This is what my lips look like. I think they look pretty good. Okay guys, so it is Tuesday and I got my lips done on a Friday and this is what they look like right now. They get a little chapped, which I guess is like common after you get your lips done because the skin stretches or whatever. So they've been a little chapped, but I've been trying to like keep them moisturized and stuff like that. But I think they look so good. Didn't have like any bruising and the swelling is almost gone. I can just feel it like a little bit when I do that. But other than that, I absolutely love how they look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it and just kind of got to understand the process a little bit better, and just know that it's not as scary as it looks. You're really numb, and I like barely felt anything besides like a few little pinches here and there. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'm super open about this type of stuff, so if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.